Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Flip Lab. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for a Squid Industry balisong. I'm really excited to take a look and see what's inside this package. It's by far the most expensive knife I've ever purchased, so let's take a look. Okay, I got the camera switched over to flip view. I'm going to be opening this package with the Volsteed Porcupine Cheese Pirate. Pretty cool knife, pretty funny too. Alright, let's take a look inside. Here's the box. Alright, let's take a closer look here. Oh, it's a Tsunami. Alright. It's the Tsunami AMKW. Check that baby out. Alright, let's zoom back. This is really cool. But let's zoom out and give it a better look. So I spent $1,025 for this knife. Like I said, it's an AMKW. It's Andrew Myers Knives out of San Antonio, Texas. He originally started out as a balisong modder, and then him and his dad began making their own balisongs, and they've become really popular in the industry. First of all, I really like the packaging. It's very simple yet clean, and just very well done. Looks like I got number 018. Let's check out the fit and finish here. Such a beautiful knife. Got the Squid Industries. I really like this blade shape here. Here's the other side. Got the AMKW branding. Just absolutely beautiful knife. I guess the main thing that makes this Tsunami unique compared to the $750 one is, first and foremost, it's a collaboration, AMKW, but also there's some different internal milling and jeweling, and that's pretty much all I could find on it. As far as the differences, the weight and the length and the materials are pretty much the same. I think there might be a slight difference in the blade as well, but I'm not exactly sure on that, so don't quote me on that. But anyways, this isn't a review video. It's more just a first impression. So once I have a little bit of time with the knife, I'll definitely dive a little bit deeper. But so far, my first impressions are I really think it's a beautiful knife. I really like it. Here's a couple flips to check out the sound and the action. It's very smooth. Not much sound, but it's titanium. It just seems like titanium sometimes may not have that same kind of ringing clack to it. But the action is really smooth. And I would say so far I'm really impressed. I'm really happy that I was able to get my hands on one of these, and I'm looking forward to updating everyone as well once I have a little bit more time with it. So thank you for coming in and checking this out, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.